Hello, everyone. So today was the Super Bowl 55. And so we're going to do something inspired from the Super Bowl. So basically, we're going to do read an input from a user, and the input's going to be a number. So, and then in football, there's a couple ways you can score at different point values. So this is going to be something that will give you whatever number they input, just give you a check. Oh, this is valid. And then this could be a possibility with this number. This could be the score type in football. So let's get started. So basically, we're going to write a comment here. So check if a score is valid. So we're going to start off with creating a function. So we'll call it def and then valid score. And then we'll call it test score. Yeah. And then basically what we're going to do is a couple of checks, right? So first, so there's test score equals 1, right? And then we're going to print, if it does equal 1, we're just going to print point after, right? And then the second one is if they enter in 2, you enter 2, print either it could be a safety or a 2-point conversion. So call it safety or 2-point. Then if the next one is test score equals 3, print out, this is going to be a field goal. Field goal. And then lastly is test score equals 6, print, this is going to be a touchdown. Touchdown is a 6, right? And touchdown actually with pick 6 too is still a touchdown, even though defense is scoring the touchdown. So either offense or defensive touchdown. So basically, so these are all the cases. You can also use a else if, which is called a elif. That could work also. But since we have like particular cases, right? So only one case is going to be executed at a time because we're looking at one number, right? And then the lastly is going to be else, and then we're going to print not a valid number. Okay. So now we have our function, right? So now what we're going to try is basically we're going to have an infinite loop, all true. And then we're going to grab input. So input from the user, input, and then our prompt is going to be what is the score? Actually, what we can just call it test score, right? And then we're going to call our function on it, valid score, and then call val. Okay, we'll save this and then hit run. Test score, and then we'll try 4. So we're 4 is not a valid number, so we'll try 3. 3, we're still getting not a valid number, but we should be getting field goal. So what you need to realize here is that the input is a string format, right? And when it does the comparison in our function, it's comparing a string with the integer. So basically we need to go back to our function and change it a little bit. So we can call it as being string. So we can call it test score integer type equals int of the test score, which is actually string type. And then we can go in and then change all of these as being int. Oops. yes. And we'll change there, and there. Right, so now we have integer comparison, and now we'll hit run again. So hit run, stop and run, rerun. Okay, so now we'll hit 1, point after touchdown. So 2, safety or 2-point conversion, 3, field goal, and 6 is touchdown. So, and then we try 4, not a valid number, 5, not a valid number, and try 9, not a valid number. So yeah, simple case, basically similar to like a switch and case, basically switch on a case, and just a simple function. And it's important to note, like, when you input a value, you need to typecast. So this is typecasting a string to an integer, so it can do that comparison and you get the right answer, because otherwise you'll be getting this case each time. We're not doing the comparing apples to apples. So hope you enjoyed this video, and hope it was helpful too. And let me know if there's any comment suggestions, and see you in the next video. Thank you.